Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Wismark reviews. In this video you will get to know whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, before starting our today's video, I would like to inform you all that this site is operated from the United States. Now let's know what this site is offering to the customers. So friends, it is an online shopping store which deals with storage shelves and racks. Now let's check some of their products. For that we need to click into their storage shelves and racks section. So friends, these are the images of their products which are available at an affordable price right now. Now if you want to know about their payment policy, friends, they accept PayPal. Besides this, if you want to know about their shipping policy, let's go to their delivery section. So friends, they have mentioned that they will deliver your product within 5 to 15 business days. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make many more informative and videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So friends, firstly this site is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, if you want to know the website age, friends, this site has been registered on 22nd March 2021, which means it is totally new and we cannot rely upon it. Now, if you want to know other details of the company, let's click into the About Us section. So friends, they have given a little bit information about their company, but the negative part is that some part of it is plagiarized. Now if you want to contact with them, let's click into the Contact Us section. So friends, here they have mentioned the office address, that is 23 Sarah Drive, Overland, Missouri 63114, United States. Now if you want to know about their mail ID, it is info@uismark.com, which is similar to the domain name and hence adds credibility to the website. Besides this, if you want to call them, they have mentioned their calling number, that is 717-659-6024. Now friends, if you want to know about the social media presence, friends, they have mentioned follow us in Twitter, Pinit, Facebook and other platforms. But if you click on any of the icon, you will get redirected to your own account, which is a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about their return and refund policy, let's click into the return and refund section. So friends, they have 30 days return and refund policy, but if you face any kind of money related issue, you can mention it in the comment box. Now talking about the customer reviews, friends, there are not any reviews in Google, but there are some article based reviews where this site has been claimed as suspicious. In a website based article, that is Scam Advisor, we find that one person has mentioned it is a negative website and suspicious. Another one has mentioned in online threads that this site is a scam. So friends, there are negative reviews only available regarding the site. Now talking about the website content quality, friends, this is not at all good because most of the part of the content is plagiarized. So on the basis of the above discussion, it can be said that this site is new, so we will not recommend this site to any of our viewers. Moreover, this site seems to be suspicious, so we request you all to do your own amount of research before investing your money in this website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.